That time for us to take a break here on Cricketainment. When we come back, India's Formula One star Karun Chandhok talks to CNN IBN about his dreams for a debut season. That and more when we come back. The IPL is cricket in fast-forward mode, but nothing can be faster than Formula One. Karun Chandhok may have had a forgettable debut in Bahrain, but there is a lot to look forward to. He shared his excitement with our chief sports correspondent, Digvijay Singh. There, take a look.
Yeah, it's been an interesting start. It's a good word to use. Yeah. No, I think we knew it was going to be tough going into Bahrain. Obviously, we've done no testing, no shakedown, nothing. The first time the car turned the wheel, my car especially, was in qualifying. We knew it was going to be difficult. We did realize it's going to be this tough.
You always wanted to be in Formula One. That's the pinnacle of motorsport. But when you actually get in there, the car, as you said, you get it only on the day of qualifying. So mixed emotions there.
No, I mean, it's still special to be in Formula One, and to be a Formula One driver is still better than not being a Formula One driver. It is a great feeling, but at the end of the day, like you say, I'm also, at the end of the day, the inside of me, I'm still a racing driver who wants to go out and do the laps and do the best job I can. And unfortunately, we couldn't really maximize our potential in Bahrain.
When those 5 lights go off, you've seen it so many times in other cars, but when you're sitting in a Formula One car, what's the difference?
It's quite easy in F1 to get sucked into all the hype, and I've been quite fortunate that I've tried to focus on everything on track and try to stay away from all the stuff going on around me. And that's the main thing, is to just forget all the rest of it and just focus on what you have to do.
Lots of familiar people on that starting grid, especially some of your idols also. So how was that?
Again, like I say, I think you go into this little bubble where you're not thinking, oh, there's Schumacher, there's Alonso, or all these people. You're just thinking about what you want to do and what you need to do. And of course, it's great to be there as part of the club. And when you go for the driver's picture and the driver's parade and all that, to be one out of those 24 guys is pretty special. But once you're in the team engineer meetings, once you're in the car, you're just in your own little world.
Beginning of the season, 4 new teams coming in, obviously want to be the best among the new teams coming in.
Yep.
How do you look at this season as it progresses, because it's a long calendar ahead?
Yeah, I mean, I think the first 4 races we got to get reliability. That's the first step. We have to be reliable, as reliable as possible. You can never have 100%, but as reliable as possible by the time we get to Shanghai. And then Barcelona is a very important race. It's the first European race. We'll have an update in terms of performance on the car. So then we start to look for performance. The first 4 races, we're just aiming to get reliability, and then we look for performance after that.
Well, we wish him all the very best. Time for us to say goodbye. But before that, you've seen the